Good morning, children. In our previous class, we have written about the ascending order and we have drawn this type of picture, steps of ascending order. Now today, we will do some problem related with the ascending order. Okay, so let us start. Write down CW at the top, classwork. On left hand side, write down today's date. Just below, with a red pencil, write down exercise. EXERCISE, exercise. After that, write the numbers in ascending order. In bracket, write down start from the smallest. It means when you solve the numbers in ascending order, you have to first choose the smallest number. Okay, so leave this line, and from here by using 4 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, write the heading NUMBERS, numbers. Now leave this 2 box. After that, write down ascending order, ASCENDING, ascending, ORDER, order. Now leave this line. From here, write down number 1. Your first example is 5, 8, 7, 2, and you have to arrange them in ascending order. So first we select the smallest number. What we have written here, start from the smallest, means हमको सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर चूज करना है. So which one is smallest? 5, 8, 7, 2. Which one is smallest? 2. Yes. So write 2 here. Comma. Now you used this 2 number. So cross it like this. Now between this 3 number, 5, 8 and 7. Which one is smallest? 5. Yes. So write 5 here. Put a comma here and cross this number 5. Now 8 and 7 remains. Which one is smallest? 8 or 7? 7. So write 7 here. Put a comma. Now cross this 7 like this. Now which will remain? 8. So write 8 at the last. So 5, 8, 7, 8, and your ascending order is 2, 5, 7, 8 from smallest to biggest. Okay. Understood, children? Cross this 8 also. Now next number 2. 14, 11, 13, 12. Now tell me which one is smallest? Yes, 11. So write 11 here. Put a comma. Now cross this 11. Between 14, 13 and 12, which one is smallest? 12. So write down 12 here. Comma. Put a cross here. Now between 14 and 13, which one is smallest? Yes, 13. So write down 13 here. Comma and cross this 13 like this. And last number is 14. So cross this 14 and write 14 here. Understood, children? Now next 3. 9, 16, 10, 6. Now tell me which one is smallest? 9, 16, 10 or 6? Yes, 6. So write 6 here. Put a comma. Cross this 6. Now between 9, 16 and 10, which one is smallest? 9. So cross this 9 and write 9 here. Put again comma. Now between 16 and 10, which one is smallest? 10. So write, cross this 10 first and write 10 here. Put comma, and the last one is, which one remains? 16. So write 16 at the end. So your ascending order is 6, 9, 10 and 16. Next one is 12, 4, 15 and 5. Now tell me which one is smallest? Yes, 4. So cross this 4 first and write 4 here. Put a comma. Now between 12, 15 and 5, which one is smallest? 5. So write 5 here. Cross this 5. Now between 12 and 15, which one is smallest? 12. So cross this and write 12 here. Put a comma. And the last one is 15. Cross this and write 15 here. So your ascending order of 12, 4, 15 and 5 is 4, 5, 12 and 15. Next, last one, 20, 18, 10, 13. Now tell me which one is smallest? Yes, 10. So cross this and write 10 here. Now 20, 18, 13. Which one is smallest? Yes. So cross this 13 and write 13 here. Between 20 and 18, which one is smallest? 18. So write down 18 here. Cross this 18. And the last one is 20. Cross it and your last number is 20. So ascending order of 20, 18, 10 and 13 is 10, 13, 18 and 20. Okay children, I hope you understood. And your homework is repeat CW once. Okay children, bye bye.